In this video today, I'm going to show you guys 3 different websites that you can use to earn PayPal money paid into your account each and every single day. What's up, guys? My name is Jamar Jones. Welcome to Future Affiliate Pro. I created this channel for you guys to create actionable content and a warm community so that you guys can create the time, location, and financial freedom that you're looking for. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button if you like content like this, and let's get right into this video. So I completely understand when you're trying to make money online for the first time or you're just starting out, you just don't have the funds available for the tools that you need, like website landing pages, like autoresponders, to start using paid traffic. All of these things cost money. And you need to bootstrap yourself, and you need a way to generate some income that you can pour into starting up your business. So these are three websites that you can use on a daily basis to help you bootstrap your way to building your online business. So the first website is QMe. And what QMe is, it's QMEE.com. And basically, you just get rewarded for your opinions, searches, and purchases. You can get a QMe Chrome extension on your browser, and what it does is it'll pop up as you're going around, and it will pay you. Say if you were to type in iPhone into Google, it would pop up a little sidebar here on the side with different prices for different iPhones, and basically they'll pay you to browse and to click on some of these links. They'll actually be giving you money that you can collect, and I'm not sure if there is a limit, but maybe $5 or $10, and you can just start sending it to your PayPal account. So QMe is a free web browser and a mobile app that allows you to earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and engaging with your favorite brands. So with the mobile app, you can get paid to take surveys, and then on the go share your opinions with engaging surveys, and you'll get a cash reward for each one you complete. When you do the surveys for money, QMe adds your rewards to your piggy bank in real time, and then you can enjoy no minimum cash out on your earnings. So if you get $3 or $5 and you want to cash it out and send it to your PayPal balance, you can do that. And then also you share your opinion with paid surveys, and you can help influence the direction of your favorite brands, right? So they take a lot of your opinions, and then they give it to the brands that you're giving your opinions on, and they then will tweak their advertising, right? That's normally how it works. They take the data and they tweak the advertising so that they can improve their income, right? So they also offer cash rewards for searching and shopping online. And the best part, you can earn while you search your favorite sites and engage with your favorite brands. You don't have to purchase products to get the money. You can see here there's a little sidebar that pops up right here, and if you just engage with it and you click on it, they'll just for engaging with it, they will give you money, right? So you can share, shop, and search to earn cash. QMe takes you literally 3 minutes to sign up for, and this is a way that you can earn a few bucks every day to help bootstrap yourself. So the second one is Bankroll Bucks. Bankroll Bucks is pretty much the same, only they do more surveys than anything, and the more you do the surveys, they also have daily jackpots, but the more you do the surveys, the more you have the potential to earn. Now remember, this is all active income. It's going to take some of your time, and unfortunately, when you don't have a lot of money to start up, it's going to take more of your time until you can build an online business that is more self-sustaining, where you don't have to be hands-on doing active work every single day. And the last one is Paid Viewpoint, and Paid Viewpoint is it's also a survey website, but it's more interactive, and it's got videos that you can watch, and the more you participate within the website, the more you can have the potential to earn is a lot greater, right? So paidviewpoint.com is one in the past, maybe like a year and a half ago, when I was trying to earn a little bit of extra cash to start bootstrapping my own affiliate marketing business so that I could afford some of the extra tools that I needed to get my business up and running. And these are all different. Survey and apps that you can use on a daily basis whenever you have a little bit of free time. If you're sitting somewhere and you just have a few minutes to kill, you can go on and you can take 5 or 10 minutes and complete a survey for a couple dollars, right? And every couple dollars between these different sites, it adds up, right? It adds up to $5, $10, $15, maybe even $25, $30 a week. And the next thing you know is you have $100 at the end of the month in PayPal money, and it's enough where you can afford, say, a funnel builder software like ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month, right? So I don't recommend doing this on any kind of extended, because it does require a lot of your time. What I recommend is learning and getting involved in a program that actually teaches you how to build a proper online business, right? It teaches you the tools. It teaches you from beginning to end what you need to do to build an automated business that will support itself, right? So that you can be even less hands-off and you can just have it running on autopilot and you can just watch commissions come right in. And if that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure you guys click the first link in the description down below, because it's a program that I went through and I highly recommend. That's why it's my #1 recommendation. I highly recommend you guys go through the course. It only costs $7 and it's got literally like $1,000 worth of value for $7. You get your foot in the door and learning about how affiliate marketing, it can be life-changing when you understand how to use the tools and how to set everything up, right? You have to have the knowledge to be able to start your business and to generate income on a daily basis. So I hope this video helped you guys out. I know it's surveys and this, that, and the other, but the reason why I made this video is because I understand that you guys don't have a lot of capital and you guys need that extra $50 or $100 so that you guys can get the tools that you need to get your online business up and running. So if you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be coming out with videos all the time, providing you guys with the value that you want and need so that you guys can live a life of time, freedom, and location, and financial freedom. So I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.